Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export HTML and CSS from Stitch. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up one of your projects. For example, I have here the simple messaging website, okay, design, okay. Let's say you wanted to download just a single page or stage. Then what you'll do is just click on more right here. Just click on view code, okay. And here we have the code. You can just easily copy it and just paste it into your IDE like VS Code to begin development. Now, another option, if you want to, you could go ahead and download it or export it to AI Studio, Jules, or as a zip file, okay? Also, you can just download it to save it locally on your computer, like this one right here, okay? Or you could just go ahead and open up the whole project, okay? For example, you wanted to download everything right here. You wanted to download the HTML or CSS of this whole project. Just click on the navigation bar right here at the top left and just download the project. Okay. And once that's done, once it's downloaded, it will give you this one. You just go ahead and double click on it. Here we have the, for example, the calculator, and it will give you all the stages or pages. Okay. Double click. Here we have the code HTML. There you go. Another one. The formula library right here, code HTML. There you go. And that's basically it. PNG, of course. Right click and hit on inspect right here. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.